What's up, everybody? Today we're talking about one of the most neglected spots when cleaning your car. Right here, underneath your wiper blades, why it's important to take care of them and the benefits it can give you. So today, to demonstrate this problem and the way dirt hides in these wiper blades, we're gonna start with this dirty car, admittedly filthy car. And thank you guys for the comments, we appreciate it. We've been called out several times for using cars that are a little bit too clean. I promise you this one is not. So we're gonna do a full wash on this car and then come back and show you how that dirt hides up and around those wiper blades, and then we'll talk about some of the effects that can have. But we have the full wash ready. We got the IK sprayer loaded. We have a bucket, 2-bucket wash system, and we have a wheel bucket. So we're gonna clean this car up and then come back and show you how that dirt hides. So stick around, we'll get into it. So all that montage just to show you where dirt can hide with these wiper blades. So a quick test, and again, you could also do this while you're washing, but if you do a quick wipe here, you'll notice pretty quickly an unreal amount of dirt that can hide on that blade. And you could see during that montage, I hope, how much we sprayed this, pressure washed this, wiped this by foam cannon and with a hand wash, and it's still hiding under here in this area. Now, the dirt itself isn't that big a deal, but when we're talking about longevity and visibility with seeing, your wiper blades are doing all that work. Any kind of dirt, debris, road grime that gets on there, not only is gonna wear those down faster, but it also gives the potential of streaks when you're driving, which nobody wants. Be safe, keep them clean, replace them when they're worn. So once you get that dirt out, you can either, like I said, wash them with your soapy mitt while you're washing, or simply take glass cleaner and pre-moisten a microfiber towel. Simply lift that blade and drag that along the side. Get both sides of that element, because again, one side's gonna go clean when it's going up, the other side cleans when it's going down. So get both edges of that. Make sure you get the cleaning spot where it lands, because that's another high dirt accumulation area. And that's all it is to clean that. Just gotta remember to do that while you're cleaning your car or afterwards if you like. The other thing that's a benefit about cleaning that is it will improve the longevity of any coating you have on your glass, and vice versa. A coating on your glass will also help improve the longevity of wiper blades. Again, as another angle just to highlight how these wiper blades trap dirt so well, you can kind of see on both sides of this blade, which helps it clean. You kind of have that concave pocket, and you can see all kinds of junk and debris and grime get caught up in there. Cleaning that, like we showed you with the glass cleaner or with your soapy mitt, keeps that clean, reduces abrasion on the coatings, and also keeps the longevity of these blades going as long as possible. So while you're doing this, that's also a good time to reapply any kind of rain repellent coating if you're doing that. Again, the lubricity added not only helps with the visibility, but also keeps that windshield cleaner, which keeps the longevity of your blades going longer. And also the reduced friction from cleaning your blades keeps that coating lasting longer, giving you that improved visibility in the rain. So if you're going through all the effort to keep your windshield coated, keep it clean, keep it safe, take that little extra effort and make sure you're cleaning those wiper blades. It's gonna keep you safe, it's gonna keep your coatings lasting longer, it's gonna keep the longevity of those expensive blades going as long as they can. Thanks again for watching, we'll see you in the next one.